Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set your liked videos private for others. So basically when you set this private, other people cannot see the videos you've liked. So basically you need to go to settings and privacy, just where I am right now, and then you need to go to privacy just under account. So type of privacy, and then you need to scroll down a bit until you see interactions, and under interactions you see liked videos, as you can see, and the liked videos is now turned on only me, but I can change this to followers. So when I do this, when I turn this on followers, everyone who follows me can see the videos I've liked. So yeah, you can do that if you want to, but be careful because they might stalk you and just watch the videos you've liked. So yeah, keep that in mind, but it's your choice. You can turn this just on me or only me. Now nobody except for you can see your liked videos. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.